Hi guys, welcome to the Finest Food channel. I hope you are doing really well today. Today we are going to make a really simple recipe out of 3 ingredients, Nutella cookies. In a bowl, you will need to add 1 cup or 240 grams Nutella. Make sure it's at room temperature so you can incorporate all the ingredients together. Next, you will have to add 1 large egg, and for all the vegetarians out there, you can add 1/4 cup condensed milk. Mix it well. Next, add 1 cup Maida or 150 grams Maida. Add it a little at a time and mix well in order to avoid lumps. Knead the dough for a few seconds until all the ingredients come together. Take a little dough at a time and shape them into cookies. Line a baking tray with butter paper and place your cookies on the tray. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake your cookies for 15 minutes at the same temperature. Take your cookies out of the oven. Make sure your cookies are cooked well. And your cookies are ready to be eaten. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also press the bell icon in order to receive notifications for future recipes. Bye!